This video is for Stanley Ruth company. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. As you see, I'm on your site, and make sure on your homepage you have more than 1500 words because Google loves content, and also with the correct keywords, and the pictures should be saved in the right way also. Like for example, we have this picture. If we see how they saved, see some numbers here, so it's better if here will be some keywords, so it's also gonna help you out. So, and the second thing I want to talk, it's a citation. So if we come to here, we can see Google guaranteed one, and it's good to be here. Then we can see their ads here, and now in 2020 some people have ad blockers, so some people see and some people not even see these ads. And then if we come here, down here, we can see map pack. So what is citation? It's essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you just don't want to stop whatever the competition has. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section over here. And as we go down, we can see Yelp, expertise, we see home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Now, the way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had to send you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website is all about ice cream shop and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking of one of these tools I have here, it's called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 35 referring domain that gives you 110 backlinks, and you getting found for 851 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 271 organic traffic. I just want to show you one of your competitors here. See, they have 716 referring domains, and that gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and which is getting them found for more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they're getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in this. So to keep it short, this is pretty much it, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Will be great. And thanks again and have a great day.